Focus Pro Audio just sent me a lot of goodies. Hey there, my name's Raquel Lily with Focus Pro Audio, and today I'm going to show you how to build your own home studio. So we got a really big box of goodies, which I will be unboxing for you guys and showing you what's in the box. Let's see here. We got a 1/4-inch XLR cable, the ATH Audio-Technica Bluetooth headphones, the AT2020 Audio-Technica microphone, a box in a box, the classic 2i2 Scarlett. Ooh, and we got FL Studio Fruity Edition. Another box. To go with our FL Studio, we have the ultimate MIDI keyboard for FL Studio made by Novation. Last but certainly not least, another box. Let's see here. Okay, these monitors. We've got a PreSonus Aris 4.5 BT active media reference monitors with Bluetooth capability. Now that we've unboxed everything, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to build your home studio. First off, we're gonna need a computer, which I'm assuming you already have. Some sort of workstation like a laptop or a PC will do. Next, we have to figure out how to get the music into your PC or a laptop.
So the Focusrite has 2 inputs on the front for your instrument or microphone, and it plugs in via USB Type-C.
Now, there are a few things that plug into your Focusrite, one of which gives us the ability to hear everything you're recording. This right here comes in handy. This is the Audio-Technica ATH M50 with Bluetooth capability.
So you're actually going to need an adapter to be able to plug into the Scarlett. So grab your 1/4-inch cable adapter and you plug into the front and you're set.
No setup is complete without a microphone.
You're going to need to use a male XLR to 1/4-inch cable that plugs into the front of the Focusrite.
Another tool we may need is a keyboard or a MIDI controller.
This MIDI controller is really good if you want to use a drum pad or if you want to use synth sounds or track any sort of MIDI. Make sure you plug in the appropriate cables to your computer as well as the MIDI, which will be located on the back, and you should recognize your USB that goes straight to your computer.
Last but not least, we do need a digital audio workstation. There are tons of DAWs you could choose from. When your ears get fatigued with the headphones, not to worry.
You're probably going to want to listen to your mixes or whatever you're producing through a different set of sound devices. In this case, we have some monitors. Make sure you have the appropriate cabling, these things attached to each other, as well as needing a power source, and then it's going to have to reach your interface at some point.
And now I could build an entire studio right here.
Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing and this small tutorial on how to build your own studio at home. My name is Raquel Lily with Focus Pro Audio. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.